I want to write a blog, but I only have 5 minutes to do so. So let's see if I can write a quality blog using WPS AI in just 5 minutes. Hello everyone, I am Josh from the WPS office, and today I'm going to show you how you can use WPS AI to generate blogs within 5 minutes. So let's get into it. WPS AI is the built-in writing assistant in WPS Office that can take your blog game to the next level. With WPS AI, you can write engaging blogs quickly and easily. This tool will save time and make your blogs more appealing and professional. The first step is to open the WPS Office. Click the docs on the right side of the screen and then click blank. After opening the document, you'll notice WPS AI on the left side of the screen. Click on WPS AI and this will bring up a chat box. Now you can type different prompts step by step and generate a quality blog using this WPS AI chat box. If you have a title in mind, then well and good. But if you don't have any ideas, you can ask WPS AI to suggest some title ideas for your niche or any desired topic. You can also ask WPS AI to provide different angles and insights for your chosen title. WPS AI is great at brainstorming ideas. If you want to write a blog on top freelancing skills in 2024, type a prompt to generate title ideas related to top freelancing skills. WPS AI has generated different options to choose from. Now, if you want to generate a search engine optimization title, ask it to do so. I like this title idea, so I'm going to write a blog on this topic. Step 2 is to generate an outline. Now, you can give a prompt to create an outline for the blog. I don't like these two headings, so I'll ask the WPS AI to change them. This outline is perfect. Now let's give a prompt to write a blog using the outline we generated previously. If you are marketing a product, enter prompts to integrate your keywords into the text seamlessly. Now, copy and paste this blog to the WPS Writer document. WPS AI has generated an amazing blog, but I think this paragraph could be better. So I'll select this paragraph and then click on this icon. This will open up a lot of options. I'll click on Improve Writing, and WPS AI will improve it in the blink of an eye. WPS AI has enhanced this paragraph and made it more engaging. Now click Replace. You can also ask WPS AI to make any paragraph long or short by clicking the same icon. You can improve your self-written blog through WPS AI. The last step is to insert images. Pictures are the most important part of any blog. They make blogs attractive. WPS provides you with a broad range of image resources. Click on Insert, then select the icon library and then click Pictures. Add relevant pictures to make your blog more appealing. You can also add charts and illustrations to make your blog more appealing. So the blog is ready. WPS AI has done a great job and you can publish it. But if you want, you can edit it a bit and add a final touch to make it more engaging. For example, I'm going to edit these sentences. Once you are happy with the content, you can publish it whenever you want. And that's it. Writing a blog with WPS AI is as easy as that. WPS AI can help you with everything from title generation to outline creation, content writing, and pictures. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you have any queries or suggestions for our upcoming video, please leave a comment below. Happy blogging, and we'll see you next time.